Transportation, lodging, food, ski rentals, lift tickets, and all the things for a ski trip can cost you an arm and leg. Unless you follow these tips. One way to save some money when you're going skiing is to get your own skis. Now in the beginning that doesn't really save you any money, but if you go every year, it really saves a lot because after a couple of years you've paid for those rentals. So you can get your own skis, and then we went ahead and purchased off of like Facebook Marketplace a rack for the top of the Jeep that can hold all of the skis and all the boots, which saves us a lot of space too. And it only cost about $100 because we got it used. You know, we're almost ready to go to Colorado when we start getting the skis on the top of the Jeep.
Show them your outfit and show them mine for our Christmas thing today. Show them. This is mine. Now look at hers. What the heck? Someone didn't communicate that we're supposed to look cute. I don't even have makeup on. It's about comfort.
Bring it forward so that it's hanging one end over.
Yeah, you just like clip-ons in.
Yeah. Right about there.
In the cargo rack, there's actually enough room for 6 sets of skis, poles, and boots.
Well, you can bring it.
This is pretty much how it looks when we get ready and we get all of our stuff into the ski holder. We all watch, and Kevin does most of the work.
That is impressive. Nice.
Give him a hand, ladies and gentlemen. So another way to save some money when you're going on a ski trip is to get your ski tickets ahead of time. Make sure that it is early, like in about April, you're looking for those ski tickets for that year to go on sale. Usually when you do that, you can find tickets that will give you 1, maybe 2, sometimes 3 days free. You also get those tickets probably about 1/3 of the cost. I know that one year my daughter forgot to get her tickets and she paid almost triple what we did. So you get on there in April, start looking in March and April for those tickets, go ahead and decide where you're gonna go. Now you might think, well, I don't wanna do that, I don't know for sure, what if something happens? Well, the cool thing is most of the places you could put it like a deposit on those tickets. It's only usually around $50, and you're holding those tickets, and then you don't actually have to pay for them until September. Also, there's many of those places that give you a cancellation opportunity, so you can still cancel, but it will go ahead and lock in those prices. So that's another way to save a lot of money when you're looking at a ski trip. All right, we are getting ready to head out to Colorado for our ski trip, and one of the ways that we save some money is by transportation. So you've got to get out there. You can either drive or you can fly, but we, to save some money, choose to drive. That saves us some money, and we let the journey be part of the adventure. So I have planned a lot of fun adventures for on the journey to Colorado. I figure out where we're going to be staying, and I look for various activities, hikes, adventures, things that we can do in the area along the way. So again, so our first stop tonight is in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, and we're gonna have dinner at the Metro Diner, which is known for breakfast all day.
One of the main specialties at the Metro Diner is actually fried chicken and waffles, and not just breast fillets, the full fried chicken. And it has a spicy syrup, and the spicy syrup, the secret to that is it's actually Texas Pete and maple syrup together. very good.
So our first adventure is the St. Louis Zoo. It's so bright.
I know. It's
Which
like,
happens to be free, so we're pretty excited about that. You do have to pay for parking, but we're gonna go to the zoo.
Not bad.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
I hope that at the zoo they're rescues, because otherwise it bothers me that we put animals in cages like this.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
Over there.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
Oh my goodness, these are so cute.
You set my world on fire. I don't know what I did.
Sorry guys, he's taken.
You make me smile. What is it that you do?
Big. Hey buddy.
You're okay, buddy.
He's wanting to pound some quota. Yeah, Quota, that would not be a good day for you, buddy. Watch. He's coming back. He's
He's like just counting what
coming.
He's coming.
Oh yeah.
You can ask your sister, can I see it,
He's
please?
stalking old Coda. He's like, what is this white puff ball of food that I see? And I can smell him. He is so intent on him. I want a piece of that doggy.
That's really cute. I can't
See him hiss? And he's so easy to see. Hey, Billy. What you doing, Billy?
The St. Louis Zoo is a must-do. We thought that just stopping here would be a quick, nice little break to stretch our legs, but it's fantastic.
Yeah, I have never been this close to the animals, ever, and they're so active.
It's really, really cool. And they love to see Coda, which is fun. Coda's a service dog, so he could care less about them, but it's still fun to watch them be interested in him.
A lot of people question us about why we would want to drive, but first and foremost, it saves us money. Second, we make it an adventure. Third, it's just beautiful to drive. And this adventure took us to Keystone, Colorado. Another way to save money is to stay at a hotel using your points.
So what you need to do is you need to make sure that whatever hotel you're staying at, you've joined the rewards or the point system, because we actually go all the way out to Colorado and all the way back, and we just use points. We don't spend any money on the hotels, but we use points the whole entire time, so you can really stack up on some points. And then if you're with somebody, you can share a room and you can both use your points. So that's a great way to save some money.
Another great way to save money is when you're staying at these hotels, they all have a free hot breakfast. So you get your coffee, you get your breakfast. You get extra things to make peanut butter and jellies, wink wink, and that's a great way to save money.
Snacks,
Muffins.
Snacks.
So we also bring a cooler, and this cooler is actually expandable, and I can't show you because it's filled with stuff, but it expands down and it's really small, and then when we get somewhere we can use it to make our lunch for the day or whatever we need to do. Even if we've gone to the store and we're getting some food, we can go ahead and pop up the cooler and we've got somewhere to put some of our food. We also bring a cooler that plugs in our vehicle as well. Great ways to save money. The final thing to save you money on your ski trip and save your budget is to make some of your food in your room, your hotel room, your VRBO, whatever it is. So what we always do is we try to get a place that has a kitchen. So here at Homewood Suites, we have this little mini kitchen, which is fantastic, and we even have a full-size fridge. But just in case we don't, we always bring the Instant Pot, we have our electric fry pan, and we also have our cooler that can be a fridge as well. So we've got that with us wherever we're at, and we save a lot of money by making some of our food in the room and not having to spend all of our money eating out.
Open your eyes. Taylor! Christmas!
Oh,
So we can have our tradition. Oh! They didn't have the ones we normally get, but
so sweet of you.
So our tradition is always to have sausage roll-ups, like as long as I can remember. But we got here and we didn't have an oven, and so I looked on Target and they had a toaster oven for pretty cheap, and I was able to get all the stuff. So.
Nice.
Yeah, so when you're at the ski resort, don't forget that to save some money, pack a picnic lunch. You can leave it in your car because it's freezing outside, so you don't need a fridge. have your drinks out there, and you will save a ton of money. All right, we had a great time on our ski trip in Keystone, and we didn't go broke.
Yes.
So make sure you check out those, make sure you use those budget saving tips if you're opting for a budget friendly ski trip.
Yeah, because it can get very costly, but if you do a few things, it just takes that, you'd be surprised how much that can shave off your actual budget.
And then you can go again. For more videos like this, you can check out our channel and go to any one of our playlists. Of course, check out the other videos on our Colorado Keystone ski trip.
Also, you can check out our website at www.befreebenson.com. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And we would really appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel. It helps us out.
As always, get out there, have an adventure, and be free.
Be free, baby.
See you in the next video.